One after.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Julia, and this is Puhunan Power. Our episode today is all about ang power ng young, creative minds. We will also be showing trivia questions as we go along, so please comment your answers to win exciting prizes. Don't forget to like and share our page for more contents. Kasama ko ngayon ang amazing student para sa kanilang power business concept. He is from Governor Juanito Reyes Remulla Senior High School in Toclong 2B, City of Imus. Bilang tunay ng mga Caviteño, I am sure na alam ninyo at aware kayo sa famous longganisang Imus na may kakaibang sarap at lasas at isang pride ng Cavite. You will now discover the innovation of longganisang Imus from at talaga naman mapapawaw kayo sa kanilang creative minds. For sure, matatakam kayo sa kanilang idea today. So let me introduce to you ang power youth na makakasama natin for today's discussion. His name is J.R. D. Lorenzo at lokal ng Imus. Hello, kamusta naman kayo sa araw na ito?
Ayos naman po. Kinakabahan and excited po.
That's great. So ready ka na ba sa pag-uusapan natin ang unique na idea mo? Well, ako ay super excited to hear from your story. So, paano ba talaga nagsimula itong concept at sino ang nakaisip nito?
Nag-start po yung concept ng longganisang siomai, the innovation of longganisang imus, sa school project po namin, which is yung research, experimental po. Then, nag-create po kami ng the innovation of longganisang imus na tinawag po namin siyang longgamay, short for longganisang siomai. Then, ayun po, parang halos lahat ng panelists po namin ay nag-a-ask kung what if gawin nyo tong business and i-push nyo to. Then, ayun po, doon po siya nag-start na naisip ko na i-push and ituloy yung business po.
Okay, that's really great. That's amazing actually. Pero gaano ba ka-interesting ang longganisang imus para sa iyo?
Sobrang interesting po na longganisang imus kasi po we all know po na yung imus po is known po as longganisang imus. Then as a imusenyo po or Caviteño po, gusto ko po mag-create talaga ng business na pasok din po sa field ko as a tourism.
So, sinabi mo nga na this is a school project. Ilan kayo sa group? And then, sino ba ang leader niyo?
Bali po, may 5 po kaming member. May 5 po akong member, tapos ako po yung leader.
Great. Okay, so pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ang pagtatanong, we will be having our short break. But stay tuned for our trivia questions where you can win exciting prizes. So welcome back, viewers. Before we go back to our discussion for today, ito ang ating first trivia for the day. Alright? So, ang unang commenter na makakasagot ng tama sa ating trivia question ay mananalo ng exciting prizes. So, comment down below ang inyong mga sagot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, time's up. At ang ating first winner sa hapon na ito ay si... Medyo, I cannot see it. What is happening, everyone? Waylon Hugo. Waylon Hugo. Alright. So we will send you, okay? Congratulations sa'yo. And then, hintayin nyo lang din. Waylon Hugo. Okay. Alright, congratulations sa iyo ulit. Hintayin lang namin ang aming message for you after ng aming podcast so that you can claim your prize. Okay, so going back to our discussion today, JR, gaano ba katagal nyo ginawa ang research kasama ang business plan nyo?
Ginawa po namin yung research namin in 2 weeks. Then, yung business plan po namin is not required na magpasa talaga. Pero yun nga po, katulad nga po ng sinasabi ng panelists namin na what if nga po talaga gawan namin siya ng marketing strategy. So I decided po na gumawa po ng business plan in 1 week po.
Wow. So you see that? That one is called taking initiative for real to keep continuing. Even if you didn't need to do it, you would still do it, right? Who knows, maybe meron tayong opportunity ahead, right? So it's really great. Now, how did you come up naman sa idea na i-push tong gagawin business?
Bali po, next ayun nga po, yung panelist po talaga namin, sobrang grateful ako sa kanya kasi sa totoo lang po talaga is hindi po talaga nagsisink in sa utak ko na gumawa po talaga ng business or ituloy po siya as business. Then, ayun nga po, yung mga panel po namin na nagsabi ng gawa namin siya ng marketing strategy. Then, ayun po, doon po talaga nag-start. Then, nakita ko po sa recently po, nag-scroll po ako sa Facebook and friend ko po si Kelevi. Then, nakita ko po yung parang nilike niyang page. Tapos, tinusto ko po siya kasi parang interesting po ako sa ads about po sa puhunan, power. Then, ayun po, parang sabi ko, what if mag-join ako? Baka sakali po. Then, baka ito po yung maging way na matuloy ko yung dream ko na maging businessman and matuloy ko yung business.
Wow, naman talaga. Thank you sa pagtangkilik at panonood din sa aming podcast. Now, if kayo naman ang mananalo ng 50,000 pesos, paano nyo naman uumpisahan ang inyong business? May idea na ba kayo kung saan ba ang location, kung saan ba ang ilalagay ang store, at kung saan nyo naman ipaprocess yung mga gagawin nyong produkto?
Actually po, yung longgamay po or longganisang imus na gagawin siomai is pwede po siyang gawing sa bahay lang. Yung pag-process po, tapos yung pag-distribute naman po, pwede naman po yan gamitin yung social media, yung Facebook po. Para mag-distribute po ng mga order po sa mga customer.
So you really have all of these really plans. I'm really happy for that. So ngayon, at talaga naman napakahusay at napaka-interesting ang inyong mga business idea. Sana ay marami pang mga kabataan ang sumunod sa inyong mga yapak. But before we proceed to the next question at sa pinaka-aabangan ninyong second trivia question, let us have a short break first.
One afternoon, in a marketplace somewhere in Manila, there was a mysterious man, strolling, walking alone, searching for something. And everyone was wondering about him, confused, puzzled. Who is this guy? And what is he doing here? Then suddenly, introducing Pusong Entrep, a social media platform mini-show that showcases and invites Filipino entrepreneurs to participate and win worth of 50,000 pesos. Join now at ilabas ang entrepreneur power.
Alright, so now we are back. Ito ang hinihintay ninyong trivia question. So, comment your answers down below in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, time's up. At ang second question ay Noah Villanueva. Alright, congratulations sa ating second winner. Hintayin lang ang aming message after the podcast na ito upang ma-claim ang inyong prize. Okay, so going back, ano po ba ang mga future plans ninyo?
Yung future plans and yung goal talaga namin ay maging successful na businessman. Then, ayun nga po, katulad po ng purpose po ng inyong project is parang tumulong din sa kapwa Pilipino natin. Then ako po, bilang parang naranasan ko maghirap and yung as a student, working student, parang sabi ko, pag nag-boom talaga to and naging successful talaga yung business ko or business namin ng classmate ko, tutulong kami sa mga estudyante, magbibigay kami ng trabaho na hindi sila mahihirapan.
I see. So that is what we're actually doing here as well. In Mary Rose Media Production, we are empowering our young, old, or whatever, as long as you're a Filipino, to empower them to be entrepreneurs. Okay? So, sa palagay ninyo, gaano ba kalaki ang magiging impact ng #PusongEntrep sa pag-start ng business? Kasi for sure, magiging successful yan because of your unique idea and grit nyo sa inyong mga pangarap.
Yung magiging impact po ng Pusong Entrep sa pag-start ng business namin is sobrang laki and magiging grateful po talaga kami kasi isa po kayo sa magiging way namin para maging successful at isakatuparan po namin yung business namin.
That is really great. Okay. So before we go to the next one, right? We just want to say, do we have any questions from our viewers that we would like to answer while JR is here with us? And we'll also be doing some shout outs as well. Can I shout out of our followers? So I just want to do a shout out as well to our 4 trivia winners last week, which are Kath Caranto, shout out to Raymart Bolotanyo, Renza Bolotanyo, and Marian Bentosa. And then shout out as well to Maria Teresa Lianes for sharing and liking our live podcast. We have comments. Alright, so JR, it is my pleasure na makilala ka. Maraming salamat sa time mo. And aabangan namin din ang entry nyo sa #PusongEntrep, okay? Pero bago natin i-end ang usapan today, let us go to our last trivia of the day. Handa na ba kayo? Alright, so tignan natin kung nakikinig ba talaga kayo sa aming podcast. Alright, so comment your answers down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up. Alright. Congratulations to our last trivia winner for the day. And that is Mitch B. Mortel. Alright, hintayin mo ang aming message upang maklaim ang iyong prize. Now, talaga naman napakasaya at inspiring ang ating podcast ngayon. We hope we can inspire you to dream like how kids inspire us. At sa ating mga manonood dyan na gustong sumali sa aming program na #PusongEntrep, this video is for you. tunay ng patok na negosyo ang ating naihain ngayong araw. Mga easy to set up tips na posibleng magagamit ng mga strategies. Thank you for joining us today. Kita-kits po tayo sa susunod naming mga episodes. We hope you've learned something valuable today. Once again, this is Julia for Puhunan Power na nagsasabing pag may hashtag pusong entrep ka, panalo